What if I told you the richest people don't just think differently about money, they play a whole different game? And here's the crazy part. Most of their strategies are things no one talks about. Do you want to know why 90% of wealth is controlled by 10% of the population? This isn't your typical save more, spend less lecture. By the end of this video, you'll uncover 10 rare and powerful money mindsets that rich people live by, and how you can apply them to transform your daily life. These secrets they don't teach in schools or even in most financial books. So subscribe the channel and let's quickly get started. Number 1. The rich think of money as a tool, not a goal. Most people see money as the final destination. Once I have millions of dollars, I'll be happy. But here's the truth. Money isn't the end goal. It's just a tool to build the life you want. Have you ever thought, if only I had more money, everything would be fine? Guess what? The rich never think that way. Instead, they ask, what can this money do for me? Start thinking of money as a tool to create opportunities. Instead of saying, I need more money, ask, how can I use what I already have to make more? When you stop chasing money and start focusing on its purpose, you'll make smarter decisions and build wealth faster. Number 2. The rich obsess over energy, not effort. Have you noticed how the richest people don't look burned out? That's because they don't focus on working harder. They focus on managing their energy. How many times have you told yourself, I just need to hustle more? But if hustling worked, wouldn't everyone be rich? Audit your day. What drains your energy versus what fuels it? Prioritize activities that bring maximum results with minimum burnout. Instead of working 10 hours straight, take breaks to recharge. Billionaires like Jack Dorsey meditate daily, not because they're spiritual gurus, but because it sharpens their focus. Your energy is a finite resource. Spend it wisely. Number 3. The rich play long-term games with patience. Most people chase quick wins, lottery tickets, get-rich-quick schemes, or trendy investments. But the rich play a long-term game. Do you ever feel frustrated when you don't see instant results from your efforts? Shift your mindset from quick wins to consistent progress. Invest in skills, habits, and assets that grow over time. Think of Warren Buffett. He didn't become one of the richest men overnight. He started investing when he was 11 and let time work its magic. Wealth is like planting a tree. Water it consistently, and it will eventually grow into something massive. Number 4. The rich prioritize learning over earning. Poor people focus on earning immediately. The rich focus on learning first, knowing it pays off exponentially later. When was the last time you invested in learning a new skill instead of just making ends meet? Dedicate a small percentage of your income to courses, books, or mentorship. Spend 30 minutes daily learning something that can make you money. Your income grows to the extent that you grow. Number 5. The rich embrace boredom for wealth. Most people crave excitement with their money. They want to double it overnight, gamble it, or spend it impulsively. But the rich? They're okay with the boring stuff. Do you feel like saving or investing is too slow or not exciting enough? Automate your investments. Make it a habit you don't even think about. Focus on consistency, not excitement. Rich people stick to boring, steady investments like index funds or real estate, while others lose money chasing the next big thing. Boredom builds wealth. Excitement destroys it. Number 6. The rich measure value, not price. Most people focus on how much something costs. The rich? They focus on how much value it brings. When was the last time you avoided buying something because it seemed expensive, only to regret it later? Before making any purchase, ask, what value will this add to my life or work? Invest in tools, education, or services that save you time or increase your income. Cheap things can be expensive if they add no value. Number 7. The rich know how to say no to good things. Opportunities are everywhere, but not all of them lead to greatness. The rich are experts at saying no to good opportunities so they can focus on the great ones. Do you say yes to too many things, leaving you overwhelmed and distracted? Before committing to anything, ask yourself, does this align with my long-term goals? Learn to decline politely but firmly. Steve Jobs famously said, innovation is saying no to 1,000 things. He focused on a few products and made Apple a global giant. Every yes to something unimportant is a no to something that truly matters. Number 8. The rich protect their attention, like gold. In a world full of distractions, the ability to focus is one of the most valuable skills. The rich know this and guard their attention fiercely. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Dedicate specific time blocks to deep, focused work. Now it is so easy to get distracted by cell phone. Keep your phone on some distance while doing focus or productive work. Your attention is currency. Spend it wisely. Number 9. The rich value their legacy, not just their lifestyle. While most people focus on living a comfortable life, the rich think about the impact they'll leave behind. What will people remember you for? Just your job title or the legacy you created? Start building something bigger than yourself, a business, a foundation, or even just a family tradition. Think long-term about the impact of your actions. Oprah Winfrey invests heavily in education initiatives to help the next generation succeed. Her wealth has meaning beyond material comforts. Wealth without purpose is empty. Number 10. The rich focus on exponential growth. While most people aim for incremental gains, the rich think exponentially. Instead of focusing on earning a $1,000 raise, they ask, how can I create $1 million business? This mindset leads to scaling rather than settling. Think bigger. Instead of working harder, look for ways to multiply your efforts through delegation, automation, or scalability. 10x thinking leads to 10x results. Exponential growth creates wealth far beyond what linear thinking can achieve. The rich person's ability to think differently makes them rich and wealthy. Here's your challenge for you. Pick just one mindset from this list and apply it in your life this week. Small changes add up to massive results. In each point, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this video, subscribe the channel, like and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. Remember, the mindset you choose today will shape the future you live tomorrow. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.